I'm his sister.
809.
This is his brother.
Mulberry.
Okay.
Hi, puppy. We meet again. Ooh, that's not good. I know. You're adorable. Did you know that? You're adorable. There's a hole in the back of the house. You're adorable. Yes. Can you say hi? Hi, puppy. I know. Oh, now you bark at me?
Is it
937.
Yeah.
You want me to write down for you?
Hold on.
Dan, calling back. Sorry, I've been with real estate people. Sorry, it's a little cold.
The furnace is getting fixed right now, but
It's a lot warmer than it is out there.
I say. He
So
says.
this is my attorney, so everything's agreed to be signed now. So it's 100% official.
Well, he's gonna write down for you since he's talking to him.
stuff on the wall. I know. They did a good job. Chris, I always read this can pass C4 condition.
No, you're good.
This can pass C4 condition just with a few ceiling tiles and some touch up to make the upwards.
Yep.
You know, what I'm thinking is we do a deal to make up some other stuff. You know, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Have you ever had this much to do at once for this many good houses?
Tour days when I go all out.
She
Yeah.
confirmed everything and showed me. It's over 200 foot back. That's $1 million.
That's good stuff. Never smell the puppies. Not going into the barking closet.
Yeah. Yeah.